Welcome back. In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to get a free website that you can use for your articles, for your bloggings, so that at least you have a place where you can direct people to go and read what you write. Because over the past now, I've been hearing we need free website. Can you show us? Can you tell us? And today I want to show you. So the first place to go is to go to Google. And when you get to Google, just type google.com. All right, so let's search. When you get to site.google.com, it will bring you to an interface like this. Set to create or edit a site, go to Google site on your desktop. Now, since we are using a mobile phone, you want us to view it as in a desktop. So what you do is to go to these three dots up here and then come to desktop site. Now it will change the interface for us to see the site as in a desktop. So this one was what I created before. So let me just remove this one first so that we'll build another one. I wanted to, but I got a challenge on the road while creating it. So here we see that there are start a new site blank, then there are templates that you can use, but for this tutorial let's start with a new template, a blank one. And this site, this is where it's going to bring us to, and that's where we're going to be writing our article, so, or your articles. Yeah, this is the site.google.com. So the first thing to do here is to go to untitled site so that you can give it a name. Untitled site. So what do we do here? You type the name that you want your site to have. Okay, so what's the name? So let's say you want your site to be Shoe Factory. Just use small letter anyway. Shoe Factory, and then you see enter site name. Still write Shoe Factory anyway. Shoe Factory. So you can add a logo. Can you see up here? So let's see if that means you have your logo created already. But if you don't have it created, when you click, it should bring a box out like this, and where you can upload logo. So I have not a logo now, it's just a picture that I feel like I should use for that. And so I'll just select one just to represent a logo for now. So let me pick this one and then use it. Okay, so if you come back to the side, you will see that the logo is already appearing, Shoe Factory. So the next thing to do is to put your title, the title. Maybe you want to tell them 2 tips about shoe. Now what you do is this thing that looks like pen, just click on it, and then it will allow you to type whatever you want to write here. So I think there's something that was selected, that's why it's pasting and repasting, but I'll fix that later. But let's just continue with our work. So let me use bold letter for every one of them. Shoe Factory, Shoe Factory tips. Okay, so let me delete that. Shoe Factory tips. So immediately you're through writing that's, let's say, the title of your article, 15 things to stop doing or whatsoever. Come to this place, title, and just go for heading. Can you see? Clean and clear. So from there, you begin to write your article. This is the area to write article here. So how do you write your article? Let's assume you've written it somewhere, maybe on your notepad. You can just bring it directly. So where do you go? You come to this text box, and then it shows you where to do the typing. So let's say 15 tips for wearing shoes. So 1, wear black shoe. 2, sleep with your shoe on. All right, so you're true. So let's say all the things you want to write now is here. You're through with them. And then what else can you do? You can insert image. If you come to this point, you can see upload. So all you do is to get the image. So let's still assume that I'm still going to use that image that I used before. That image of my network is becoming slow. So that image of what's his name, this guy. So we can still use this as our own image. So you can see, you can open it wide so that it will feel, just touch the tip of this to increase it. Okay, all right. So you can see your picture is there, maybe the pictures of the shoe you're selling. What else can you do here? What else can you do here? If you check this site again, let's assume you have a YouTube channel. You can come here, you can see that side, then you just put your video, you look for it. So let me check Profit Online Azus. Okay, so let's find a video from my site now. Okay, let me make it down. So you can see it has brought out 2 videos. I'm wondering, it's supposed to be 3, but whichever one. So let me just pick one of them, and then you select, click on select. Can you see it's already loading? So even with video, you can put it here, then stretch it. You can expand it very well so that it will fill the place. Can you see? So my site is already live, though it is only me that can see it. So you can still do some other stuff, but for the sake of this one, at least you can see how to add articles, images, and probably your video. So what else do you do? Now, if you check at the top here, you will see publish there. So we need to publish the site for it to be live. If you did not, it is only you that can see this one. So click on publish. Now, in trying to publish the site, it's asking you what do you feel that the name of the site should be. But don't forget, it's a free site. So, and because it's a free site, you are not paying for domain, you are not paying for hosting. It is Google that is doing these 2 things for you. Your name, the name you're picking, will have site.google with it. So let's still use the name of the site that we choose, Shoe Factory. Let's see if it's there. Okay, it's already taken. Can you see? So let's say Shoe Factories. All right, it's like that one is there. So when you're through with that, all you need to do is to click on, don't touch anything here, because if you touch this one, it means it will not display. So just click on publish. You will see, click on publish, and then as you can see, it's publishing the site for you. You can see at the down part here, your site has been published successfully. We can view it from there, or you just come back to this publish site area. Can you see this arrow? This arrow now that is here, this drop down arrow. So that's what is needed. When you click it, it will show. Now look at what it put: publish settings, review changes, and publish. You can come and change some stuff even on this site. If you come back to your site.google, you can review the changes and then publish it again. Then you can view publish site and unpublish it if you don't like it again. So let's view. I want us to view publish site. I'm not using. We want to view publish site now. This is how our site is going to be anywhere in the world. So with that, you can share this site, and people will come here to read your article. Now this video is already live now. As you can see, it's about to play. Can you see? So anybody can view this site from anywhere. All right, I don't want to show it. So can you see now? All right, so how do we share the site? How do you share the link for people to go and get it? Of course, you can come here and copy link of the site, or you come to this. Look at this place. Look at this place. It is for you to get your shareable link that you can. So click on it, and then it will load. You can see now we have our link already, but we are not adding people to come and be checking this link. Here we are not adding people. It's already done. Our link is already done. Why I bring it here is share with people and groups. So if you want to share this with people and group, you can just use this format to share it with people and group, and then you put there whatsoever there. But of course, I'm not sharing now. So here you can see your published site is on public. Anyone on the internet can find and open, but for the draft, it is only you that can view it. So this is where you will come back to come and do your re-editing and whatsoever. So you can see here like that. So please note that one. So let's just leave that place. Done. So our site is live. Here is the setting area where you can set some other things. You can see color and whatsoever, but I'm not going to deal with that one for now. And here again, you can get, now you can duplicate the site. Privacy policy, you can put terms and conditions, terms and services, and whatsoever. Here it allows you to put link. This one allows you to put a link on something, a link. You can link anything. This is your site now. This is the link to the site. So you can use, I can copy this link now. I can put it on this thing, on this picture map, so that if somebody clicks on this picture in itself, you can see here, if I put it here now, it will still bring them back to this site. That's the essence of that link, the link point that we're talking about. Okay, so our site is live. So let me get out of the place. Let's put that site there, since it's already copied, right? So let me paste it here. Let's see where it will lead us. Can you see? Can you see? So you can share this copied link. You can share it anywhere. In fact, let's leave Google so that it won't be like as if Maybe it's Google that is doing the stuff for us. Let's look for Opera Mini. This okay. This Opera Mini. Let's look for Opera Mini and let's put it here. I created that. Okay, let's put it here. Paste and go. Can you see the site we created? Can you see? So it is already live. I believe you enjoy it. If you have any other question to ask me, you're free. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's win together. Any comment, put a thumbs up for this video, like it so that other people too can see how to quickly create something for themselves, and then we will win together. Thank you. God bless you.